In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace layout in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or new to the platform, keeping your site fresh with a new layout can make all the difference for visitors. So, let's dive right in and see how simple it is to update your site's look and feel. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Open your web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, if you haven't already, sign into your account. This will grant you access to the editing tools you'll need. Once you're signed in, the next step is to click on Get Started. This option might look a bit different depending on whether you're starting fresh with a new template or working with a site you've already crafted. Regardless, this is your gateway to the dashboard, where much of the magic happens. After clicking Get Started, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is really the control center of your Squarespace site. Here, you'll need to find and click Edit Site if you're ready to begin making those design changes. This leads you directly into the site editor, where you're free to start manipulating elements. Now, you'll want to look at your individual pages. Find the specific page you want to modify and click Edit. Doing this allows you to zero in on the exact elements you wish to update or configure. It's a good idea to spend a moment here thinking about any specific goals you have for the page's look or functionality. The next part is quite exciting. Click on View Layouts. This button is your gateway to the treasure trove of pre-made layouts that Squarespace provides. These templates are crafted to fit a variety of different aesthetics and functional needs, making it easy to find one that suits your vision. As you select from the pre-made layout options, you'll notice that changes appear instantaneously on your page. Don't worry if you try one out and it doesn't quite fit. You can easily switch until you find the perfect match. This live preview ensures that you can tweak your site's design without any guesswork, giving you a clear picture of the final output as you work. Finally, once you're happy with the changes you've made, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial as it applies all the changes you've implemented. Saving locks in your design so you and your website visitors can enjoy the new look. There you have it. In just a few clicks, you can completely refresh the layout of your Squarespace site, keeping it modern and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.